have a message for Mr. ED. I've been reading an article in which Minister Mpofu was quoted as having said that he or they are actually looking forward to engaging Interpol as far as tracking down the likes of Jonathan Moyo and Sevia Kasukwere is concerned. Now that is nonsense, absolute rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Ime, Inzwaika, may say you're all criminals. I'm sorry, but that's my position. Shoot me if you want. You are all criminals. Imeme, you're actually failing to respond to issues. Zamufana ku respond to Kunokumba. I've engaged your government. I've even petitioned you, Mr. Mnangagwa, over my missing brother. You ignore me. And you want to then present a facade and Bava criminals and Jonathan Moyo and Seveka Sukwere, and yet Maita Mese, you're ignoring real issues. Itai Dzamara has not been accounted for, and he has got to be accounted for. Not Mono. And you have two options. You actually have two options. It's either you're going to engage me, you're going to engage us, or you're going to kill me. You cannot kill a dead person. A dead man can never be deadier than being dead. So we've gotten to that point. This issue has got to be addressed. It's over 2.5 years, 3 years. Nothing has been done, nothing has been said. Your government has not even, ZANU-PF government has not even engaged Itai Dzamara. You have not even engaged us. What is that?